Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your credit card utilization screenshots in CreditWise. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the CreditWise app on your device. Log into your CreditWise account using your username and password. Navigate to the dashboard where you can view your credit card utilization data. Locate the section that displays your credit card utilization percentages. Take a screenshot of the information by pressing the appropriate buttons for your device. For iPhone, press the side button and volume up button simultaneously. For Android, press the power button and volume down button at the same time. A notification will confirm that the screenshot has been taken. Go to your device's photo gallery or camera roll. Find the recently taken screenshot in your images. Review the screenshot to ensure it clearly shows your credit card utilization details. If you want to organize your screenshots, create a dedicated folder in your photo gallery. Move the screenshot into this folder for easier access in the future. For additional backup, consider uploading the screenshot to a cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox. Open the cloud storage app on your device. Select the option to upload a new file. Navigate to the folder where your screenshot is saved. Choose the screenshot and confirm the upload. Once uploaded, verify that the screenshot appears in your cloud storage. You have now successfully backed up your credit card utilization screenshots in CreditWise. Repeat this process regularly to keep your data up to date. This ensures you always have access to your credit card utilization history when needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.